Welcome to Elton CKD Close Quarters, Weapons and Non-Weapons. These video guides are designed to show you each movement technique. Please practice the move, get it fluent so it's second nature, and then concentrate on building up the speed. Heel down orange, double lapel grab. The attacker grabs you here, palm strikes, fingers together, slightly curved to trap the air into the ears. Normally the person would probably drop anyway at this stage, but he's high on drugs and he's deaf now and it doesn't matter to him, he's still hanging on. So simulate the palm strikes to the ears above the head here. Trap the hand. Punish if you want to. Scratch is good, as you know why. Slide down the arm into a typical goose here and then rotate over. If he hasn't let go, it doesn't matter because you can do elbow breaks until he does. If he does let go, once you've done this here, if he does let go, straight into a standard goose. So we go for that once more. Double lapel grab. The ears, right hand traps his left hand. Left hand comes over, chops to the throat. Again, all these independent moves are probably enough to finish it anyway. Slide down his left arm into a typical goose. Whether he lets go or not is irrelevant. In this case, he's not going to let go. I rotate here and pummel that elbow, pummel that elbow, pummel that elbow, and you go into a forearm or goose, whatever you want to do. If he does let go, final time, ear bust, trap, strike, white belt stuff going on here now. Choke, slide down, into goose, whatever you want to do from now on, it's entirely up to you. Very simple.